Welcome to InJamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell, and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving northwest on Bob Marley Boulevard towards 3rd Bob Marley Way in Cooreville Gardens, Kingston 20, St. Andrew Parish. The community of Cooreville Gardens, located off Washington Boulevard, was named for David Coore, Jamaica's Deputy Prime Minister and Minister of Finance in the 1970s. Turning off Bob Marley Boulevard onto 3rd Bob Marley Way. Also, the streets of Cooreville Gardens are named after famous Jamaican artists in recognition of their contribution in music and the theatre, and 3rd Bob Marley Way is named after Bob Marley. Robert Nesta Marley, OM, born the 6th of February 1945 and died the 11th of May 1981, was a Jamaican singer, musician, and songwriter. Turning off 3rd Bob Marley Way onto Bob Marley Boulevard, and to the right is Wailers Avenue. Marley's contribution to music increased the visibility of Jamaican music worldwide and made him a global figure. There is so much to say about Bob Marley. To learn more, please check the video description. Please remember to subscribe to InJamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.